Croeso I clwb ni, Clwb Bocsio Y Rhyl.
That's it, nice and long.
My name's Daniel Andrews and I'm the head coach at Rhyl Youth Boxing Club. Rhyl Youth Boxing Club's been in operation since at least the mid-1950s. We have a lot of members that just come just to keep fit more than anything. So members on our books on a Tuesday and a Thursday night can vary from 15 to 25. We've also got roughly around about 12 competing boxers, which age from 10 all the way up. I think our oldest boxer is 31.
That was good. Same with the left hand, put it out straight, bang.
Jack Baker was the coach of Clwb Boxing Club. He's now 82 years old and he was a PT trainer in the RAF.
So push it with your shoulder and bring it back with your shoulder. Bring it back with your shoulder. Sit down nice and comfortable and go back with your shoulder.
He's really old school boxing training. That's been his life and he just loves it. He comes sort of 5 days a week to the gym. So on the nights we don't train, he opens up for any boxers that want a little bit extra training.
Straight out.
The buzz for me, it's first of all, it's the enjoyment. As long as the kids enjoy it, I'll enjoy it. As long as they keep turning up, I'll keep turning up. And it's just seeing them progress. So I've had boxers that have started with us 8 and 9 who aren't old enough to box yet, and then they get their first bout and then they win that and then they go to the next and they win that, and then it's just their progression from 10 years old through to senior. That's what I enjoy.
Left, left, right.
So try and pace yourself again. So do eight, have a little rest. I will be involved with this club until they say that they don't want me anymore. I'll be running this club for as long as I can. I want to be here until I'm 80.
Move away, hands high. Hands up. That was good.